Hello fellow lady trans lovies, I'm your girl lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Also leave a comment below. So Ngobile Ndlovu, also known as Nokukhanya, lives in Imbewu, the Seed. The sudden exodus of actors in ETV telenovela Imbewu, the Seed is far from over. This comes after it emerged that the actress Ngobile Ndlovu, who plays Nokukhanya, the eldest daughter of Phakade Bengu, is exiting the show. According to the well-placed sources, Ndlovu is exiting the show because she failed to actually go to money matters with the producers of the telenovela. At the beginning of the year, Ndlovu refused to sign a new contract. The producers of the show then were forced to put her on schedule, but she failed because she was not happy about the contract and the money they were prepared to give her, so she actually leaves the show. So guys, it's so sudden, and most of Imbewu actors are actually leaving. As we heard before, that Pranav is leaving, also Okama Donsela is leaving. So yes guys, that's it for now. I am out. Till next time, leave your comments below. Thank you guys, I'm out.